Oh, hello. Did you know the first maths book printed in England came out in 1522? Over the past 500 years, not much has changed in the basic mathematics ideas that get taught. Yet, science has evolved astronomically. So, what happens when you reconnect the simple laws of science with the laws of mathematics? Well, that's what you're going to find out when you attend my lecture for the Australian Association of Mathematics Teachers. I think that you'll enjoy the many instant insights you'll get that will forever change the way you understand the foundations of mathematics. So grab your popcorn, register to attend, and I'll see you there.